that was weird. Okay, so I owned my first car, I think it was 3 or 4 years ago now. It was a BMW 520D. I think many of you know me for that, owning that car. Thought that that car was too high. I mean, the ride height was too high. But I could never get myself to lower it, because when I started driving that car, I was 19 years old. And you don't really know how to drive when you're 19 years old. I never actually got around into doing it. Every time I look at photos on Instagram or I watch YouTube videos, I always see these cars that are really low to the ground with like amazing suspension, and they look absolutely phenomenal. This is my second car now, and the trend has been that I always drive SUVs. I never like how it looks, and worse than that, I never enjoy how it drives because it's very high to the ground. This is a luxury line BMW 328i. If you look here, I can put 4 fingers inside, and I don't think anybody in this world would like to be able to put 4 fingers inside. Normally you would want 1 or 2 fingers. That's not the case. That's not the case with this car. And even if you come to the back is even worse. But I don't want to be able to put 4 fingers. So we are trying to get some surgery done, and hopefully it will be back virgin, and I would not even be able to put a finger in. We'll see about that. Before that happens, it took me a lot of convincing to my girlfriend, because she's always been like, oh, you don't need to lower your car, you're gonna break your leg.
I don't sound like that.
Never gonna be able to drive this car, you daily the car every day, blah 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 blah. She had me sign these letters that I will take full responsibility for anything that happens. I think it's safe to say that today is the most exciting day of my life, because I'm finally getting what I want, not being able to put a finger in my wheel gap. Let's go. I'm gonna do a little bit of before and after for you guys. This car is very bouncy at high speeds. I would love the car to be very stiff. You didn't know, the luxury line 3 Series has a very soft suspension. The M Sports are a lot firmer. Even the sport lines, I think, have a different suspension than these luxury. But the luxury line is made for luxury people who want to be very comfortable in the car. That's not me. Nobody freaks out, okay? Nobody freaks out. It's just a drivetrain. Here we go again. Okay, it's a BMW.
I'm not freaked out, bro.
No, you're freaking out, bro.
I'm okay. I'm all right.
Okay, we are here now. My car is going on the lift. I was just telling them that I want the car to be GBL, which is the short form. You can guess down below. Problem is that I stay in a condominium and I need to go down 1 floor. And even right now with my current 4-finger height, I still have to take an angle to go down, because my parking lot is very steep and I still touch my lip every time. So we are gonna see how bad it's gonna get. As you can see, my stock suspension, which is not in the best shape. Also, it's very high and it's very bouncy. Hoping that these coilovers can add a lot of stability to my ride, and also aesthetics wise gonna make the car look so much better. I don't know how long that front lip is gonna last, because it's my first time daily driving a lowered car, but that thing is stuck there real good. I think I don't need these anymore. We can just ride without any suspension. I don't think I will be able to go into any parking lot. Do you think so, Sherry?
I don't think so. There's a lot of places that you can't go.
Yeah.
So you will ride with me on my motorbike?
Yes. That's like this much shorter, man. Wow, what is this? Have you seen?
Yeah, that's a phone.
That's a, no, it's a device
Okay, that's
from YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, this is showing me that we've had a lot of improvements on the channel. So instead of 4% of you guys who weren't subscribed, only 7.4% of my viewers are subscribed. That's amazing. Always be with the minority in life if you want to succeed. And in my case, you should subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that every time I upload, you get a notification.
But you know, you realize that if they keep subscribing, they will not be a minority.
Then I'm gonna have to talk to YouTube to expand my audience. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get back to the video.
You didn't do that. Can you do that, please?
Let's get back to the video. This is nice. This is looking so good. And the suspension isn't even settled yet. And it's not even the height that I wanna settle at. I wanna go lower than this.
That's good.
Better.
I like it.
This is better than the stock.
Way better than stuff.
Way better. There are 24 clicks in front and I'm sitting at 12 right now. So the damping is not too hard. Let's try sport mode, which does nothing for the suspension, but...
Hey, go. Where's the go?
Oh my god, I think I'm not ready. Oh! I love it. I love the pain. Oh my god.
Oh my god! So this is it. This is the new ride height. As you can see, we dropped down quite a bit and only put one finger now. I took a week of driving a car in order for me to feel the car better. So I could tell you my honest opinion of how the car feels and whether you should do it or not. I got the Tein Street Advanced Z, correct me if I'm spelling this wrong, adjustable coilovers. I got an amazing deal from one of my friends whom you've seen on this channel before. I am guessing you can guess who. As for the damping, we didn't go too crazy. We went halfway, half soft, half hard, I'm guessing. There's like 24 levels for the front and we went for, I'm guessing 12 if I'm not mistaken. As for how hard it drives with the setting on halfway, I honestly think it could be harder. I didn't go too hard because when you're going on fast on messy roads, you don't want to be too hard because your wheel will lose contact with the ground. That could lose you your grip. If you're going on track, obviously the pavement is full, like amazing and everything, so you can go like really hard. But for street driving, it's not that I wanted comfort, but I didn't want to lose touch with the tarmac. That's something I think you guys should consider as well if you're going to get coilovers or any kind of suspension, is that it's not just about going really hard. You have to be aware of your driving conditions. In the past 1 week of driving this, other than what you saw just now with me to take a little bit of an angle coming out of my parking lot, I've had no issues. I can pass over every bump, I can do whatever I want. Most of them don't even need me to take an angle. So I'm guessing whoever was advising me, like whoever was telling me that lowering my car in Malaysian roads is not gonna be nice, it's not gonna be horrible and everything, can just go back and have some thoughts about how bad of a driver they are, because I haven't had any issues. The shop that I went to didn't listen to me. They did not adjust my height no matter how much I asked for it. Other than that, they messed up my camber. I went back to the shop and I told them about this. When I asked them why they haven't adjusted my camber, they told me that it's not their problem. They do not know how to do it, or they don't want to do it, and I'm really not happy about it. So no shout outs. I love it. I absolutely freaking love it. If you guys are thinking about switching to coilovers, you should definitely do it. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Look at how little tread I have left on the tire. So this is the safety line, and I have what, like a millimeter until the safety line. These tires were brand new when I bought the car.
I wonder why, right?
I wonder why. Did you hear it? I hear a noise. It's like tires screeching.